Executive dashboards are used to graphically display critical business data in many portal implementations. Davalen has made it easy to add great-looking charts to WebSphere Portal applications using Davalen Charts, our new builder for IBM WebSphere Portlet Factory. Developed in response to client demand for high-fidelity charts with animation and zooming capabilities, Davalen Charts provides advanced charting competency from a standard Portlet Factory builder interface. Together, WebSphere Portlet Factory and Davalen Charts provide a developer with the latest Web 2.0 capabilities for charting, including Flash or HTML5 charts, flyovers, animation, and dynamic chart drill downs. In this short demonstration, we will cover the top 5 features of Davalen Charts. This will include Web 2.0 functionality with smooth animation, the interactive legend, Zoom Chart, which provides drill-down capabilities through thousands of data points, tabbed portlets, which show multiple charts in the same portlet, as well as the mobile aspects of the new charting builder. Joining me today is Davalen CTO David Wilkerson, who will be handling the demonstration. So let's get started with Davalen Charts by taking a look at the Web 2.0 functionality. Imagine that your CEO is viewing his dashboard, but would like to see the data presented in a different way. Watch as David seamlessly moves between chart and table types without any page flicker and with smooth animation as each chart builds.
In this demonstration, we see 2 charts. One chart shows the customer sales for 2 different years, 2007 and 2008. On the right-hand side, we see a second chart illustrating the details for a specific customer. In this case, the 2007 sales for Steve's Garage. As you can see, we might select a different year for Steve's Garage, such as 2008. And when we do this, the chart for Steve's Garage is updated to reflect those. Or we might select a different customer, such as Bob Mart Stores, 2007 and 2008.
It's hard to provide a chart in a format that's right for each user. The solution? Let the user decide. Our interactive legends not only display clear definitions, but allow the user to show and hide datasets, as well as provide icons which reflect the dataset type displaying.
In this example, we're looking at a 2007 sales figure for a variety of customers with a corresponding data grid at the bottom of the page. We can select different customers as before, and we can update the data grid without any page reload. In addition, we have a dynamic legend. For example, we're currently showing the 2007 sales. We can hide them. We can show the 2008 sales alternatively, or we can add sales for both seasons to the chart concurrently. Now looking at 2008 sales, we select an alternative customer, in this case Woodhaven Lumber. And again we see the update, smooth and flicker-free.
How is it possible to graphically display tens of thousands of critical data points on a single chart? By utilizing the Zoom Chart and interactive drill-down features of Davalen Charts, the concern of tiny dots on a huge chart is a problem easily solved.
Using the Davalen Charts builder for WebSphere Portlet Factory, we're going to define a Zoom chart in 2 dimensions. Running this chart, we can see that we have numerous data points available. We may wish to zoom in on one level of detail, such as this range, and as we examine the range, we may wish to drill into even greater detail. As we increase the detail of the chart, we can zoom out or reset the chart to its original level. Also, you may note that we have 2 companies represented here, Company X and Company Y, and again we featured the dynamic legend capability of the charts product.
Displaying multiple charts in a tabbed interface within a single portlet would be quite a challenge for most developers. With Davalen Charts, it's as simple as selecting options within the builder.
As you may have observed, Davalen Charts provides us the ability to create a variety of chart types, such as column charts, bar charts, line charts, donut charts, etc. Using page tabs, a WebSphere Portlet Factory feature, we're able to provide multiple charts on a single page. Here, for example, we see the donut chart with its characteristic dynamic legend allowing us to expand elements of the chart so that the user is able to perceive clearly the performance of a particular business unit or product. Switching to another column type is a matter of simply clicking on the tab for that chart type: column, pie, donut, etc.
What, your iPad doesn't support Flash? Not a problem for Davalen Charts. Since we support HTML5, your impressive charts will look great even without Flash on all of your mobile devices.
Support for mobile users may extend to those whose devices do not support Adobe Flash. For this purpose, the underlying technology of Davalen Charts supports HTML5. Developers may have a need to emulate this in order for business users to decide on the appropriate layout and function of the chart. To do this, a developer may select to disable Flash by removing the checkbox from the Enable Flash Builder input, and then run the model. When the model runs, the data will display. The chart will function in a manner similar to that as it does when Flash is enabled. We have a dynamic legend, just as we did before, and the data can be clearly understood by the user.
Davalen clients have always been happy with the power of WebSphere Portlet Factory to rapidly create advanced business applications on WebSphere Portal. When we asked what could be improved, the consensus was charting. Now, with Portlet Factory and Davalen Charts, a developer can create dynamic data sources for charts that can be profiled based on their user and their role. Our chart builder takes input from the dynamic data source, creating an unmatched capability for handling thousands of data points. Davalen Charts is already wowing users in the energy, healthcare, and insurance industries today. Contact us today for an in-depth conversation or live demonstration to see what Davalen Charts can do in your portal environment.